In this video, I'll show you how to open and verify account on Kraken. Firstly, open the Kraken app and tap on the Create Account button. Provide your email address, create a secure password, and select your country of residence. After submitting your account details, you'll receive an email with activation code. Enter the activation code in the app or simply tap the link in the email to activate it. Now, log into your Kraken account. On the homepage, click on Verify Identity button. Complete the Verify Your Identity form and click Continue. Just note that the verification may vary depending on your location. You may be asked also to provide additional information due to regulations in certain locations. Select the country your government-issued ID is from, then choose the type of ID you wish to upload. If you don't have the document right now, you can pause the verification process and resume it later. After uploading your ID, click on Continue to return to the homepage of your account. You'll be notified once your verification is complete and your account is fully activated. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.